Good morning. Happy 4th of July to everybody out there. Hope you're having a great day, or you had a great day by the time this comes out. 4th of July is always fun for me. My youngest boy was born on the 3rd of July, and I've been celebrating 4th of July for years before that, but now we got a better reason to celebrate. So yeah, every time during 4th of July weekend, we usually end up doing something fun. Yesterday was his birthday, and we did a lot of cool stuff yesterday. So today I'm getting out in the morning, fishing a little bit, get back home early. I'm gonna grill out some burgers, have some beers, and hang out in the pool the rest of the day. So that's the plan. We're chasing tarpon this morning again. Got a few things coming up next week, so I gotta be able to put some people on some tarpon. So that's the goal, is stay on top of them, make sure I know where they're at. So yeah, sometimes especially in the beginning of the year, some places they tend to bite more than in other places. I'm just trying to figure out which one of those it is right now. We got some dolphins up here, and that's it, heading out to the spot right now. It'll be probably 30 minutes before I get to where the tarpon are, but once I'm there, it'll be on right away. There they are. All right, guys, we're approaching the area where you start seeing them here and there. So far, no signs, but they could be here. Like, a lot of times they'll stop rolling, they'll stop showing signs that they're there. There's someone here. Like, if you're on them, you'll see that once in a while they'll disappear, or they'll stop rolling for like 3 to 5 minutes. Somewhere between there, or maybe less, somewhere between 0 and 5 minutes, they'll stop completely rolling. They'll stop showing, and you think they're gone. You start moving, and then boom, they'll pop up. So sometimes it's good to just wait and see. Okay, this is all bait though right now, probably. We're gonna start off today with my Banshee. This is a 6/8 5 to 10 medium light extra fast. This right here, this is bull bay rod. Okay, so bull bay rod, they make it. This is the name of the rod, and this is the specs for this rod. Okay, they have a few different ones. Made in America. Happy 4th of July. All right, that's paired up with my 3000. This is a Shimano Stratic. This is 10-pound braid right here, Power Pro in the moss green. And then right here, today I think we got 30, maybe 40. I think that's 40. It's either 30 or 40. I think that's 30. Yeah, that's probably 30-pound fluoro. This is the Sea Guard. This guy, oh, wrong. This guy right here, Seagar. And then I got that going to the NLBN 1/8 jig head with the purple one. So purple jig head, purple bait, and that's the one I have set up there. I was able to get a ladyfish on the way over here while trolling. So I kept him. I got some cut up bait too already. I can toss that at them, a little cut up ladyfish. But the problem is there's no one around right now. So last time I was here, this was infested with tarpon, and now there's no one here. Tide is coming in. Should be moving here soon. I thought it'd be moving already. It's definitely moving out in the channel. All right, it's now 8 o'clock. I've been around these guys for, I'd say, an hour and a half, and there's not a lot of them right now. The tarpon, it's what I'm talking about, and they definitely took off somewhere. Like, I got 2 or 3 casts on them. I did spook one, but I mean, when I tell you that they all disappeared, they all disappeared. There was at least about 50 yards where they were rolling back and forth. There was maybe like 4 or 5 of them, which is very low numbers for hookups at least. But I got a few good casts in there, and I got one. I pretty much landed on top of him, spooked him, and after that, everybody disappeared. So I'm gonna come over here. There has been some tarpon in this other spot too, by the oysters. A few of them, not as many as on the mangrove line, but there were some big reds over here a couple days ago. So I'm gonna see. I got some cut ladyfish. I'm gonna throw that out, and I'll throw some paddle tails too. But I really want to see how well this cut ladyfish works. A lot of people always, are bragging about cut ladyfish this, cut ladyfish that, and I've used it a few times, but I haven't been very successful at it. This usually means I gave up on it, but we're gonna try again and see what happens today. We're gonna also throw artificial because that's all I have, and then I caught the cut ladyfish that I just caught this morning. So we'll see what happens now. Oh, he let it go. Dang it. I had something already on it, guys. Dang. He had it in his mouth for sure. Let's recast that. He for sure had it in his mouth. Felt like a red. We'll see what happens. Let's try that again. Just get it a little further out now. Yeah, that's gonna be great. That's gonna be good. I like where that's at. Yep, there's another fish there. Oh, did I get him? Yep, I got him that time. Yep, got him that time. That's a red. That feels like a good red. Yeah, not a good one. Now it doesn't not feel. Let's see. Yeah, that's a red. It's definitely a red. Too tight, that's okay. The cut ladyfish, guys. Nice red, guys, on the cut ladyfish. 40 or 60 pound leader, didn't matter, they ate it. I had a feeling it was reds in there. Big old hook. Alright, that's off eat. Let's get my picture for the CCA. That is a slot red. Let me get this out of the way. .21 1/2. Yeah, I'm gonna keep one, but I'll let him go. I think I'm gonna keep one today to make with my burgers and fries. So, alright guys, let's see if I can use that same piece. I have more, but let's see. Alright, we still got the ladyfish. I moved it to this side now. I'm going to be working my bull bay. Again, another bull bay rod. Really like that. Can't say enough about these rods. This is the Sniper. This is the 7-foot, 5 to 10 medium light fast. This is paired with the Penn Slammer 2500. Yeah, 2500. Penn Slammer 2500. 10-pound braid. Power Pro. This is 30-pound leader. This is 1/4 ounce jig head. Wise Guys tackle. What's the name of that one? I can't remember the name of that one, and I don't have the package for it. It's like a new penny maybe. I got my Bull Bay Real Animals rod now. This has become my favorite rod now, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It is outstanding. And the Banshee's good too. Let's just put that out there right now. Sniper's okay too. But this Real Animals, they just really got it going. Whatever they did, it is the right way. And this is the smallest. They have 3 different setups for it. This is the smallest setup for it. So this is Bull Bay, the Real Animals version. If you go to Bull Bays, they have 3 different options for this one. I literally got the smallest version of it. That's all I needed there. Oh, see if someone's in this corner here. I just don't like it. There's no moving water. There might be someone up there in the entrance, but I just don't see there's someone being here. Just had a roller right here, guys. Just had a roller right here. Came over here to look for some reds. Right here. Dolphin. Thought I heard someone. Let's see if he finds someone back in there. We'll see it. If he comes back there. Oh, no, he's coming towards us. Great. Great. It's the dolphin. He obviously found something. Look at him. Oh. Looks like a smaller one by himself. Sure what they're doing besides spooking everything. Oh, look at them. Might be 2, might just be 1. Either way, they found something over there. He's chasing. Time to go. Spot ruined. was gonna get here. He did not let me. There's one. Just be one. Still messing with whatever. Look at him. Oh, come on, man. I'm leaving. You gonna follow this way? Oh, wow. Yeah. He's chasing something. Right where I was fishing, guys. I mean, he's just... and there he comes. Great. Yeah, right where I was fishing.